Hi everyone, this is me again, and I'm in the neighborhood of Madania in Algiers, in the higher parts of Algiers, and today I'm going to show you how to drive from Madania to Kouba, another neighborhood in the higher parts of Algiers. Kouba, very famous. So Madania is one of the oldest neighborhoods of Algiers. It was formerly a mixed neighborhood where French settlers or European settlers lived alongside Algerians. The settlers, the French settlers, used to have all those colonial style, or most of the colonial style houses, while Algerians basically lived in poorer parts of this neighborhood, and even in slums. Okay. So as I told you, France colonized Algeria between 1830 and 1962, 132 years. And this neighborhood was also a hotspot for the Algerian Liberation War. Algerians fought an independence war between 1954 and 1962, and this neighborhood here was one of the hotspots of this liberation war. And now we are headed to Kouba, another neighborhood of Algiers, one of the old neighborhoods of Algiers as well. We need to take a right here, and then Madania is known for its, for the Martyrs Memorial. It's the memorial that independent Algeria built in the 1980s in order to honor the memory or the memories of all the people, all the Algerians that fell during the Algerian Liberation War. And there you go. This is the Martyrs Memorial that we also call Maqam Shahid here in Algeria. It's locally called Maqam Shahid. And this is the memorial that was built in order to honor all the martyrs that fell during the Algerian Liberation War. And this memorial is adjacent to a shopping mall that's on my right here. And now we are going to go under that underpass, and I'm going all right, the underpass. So we are under the underpass, and we are on our way to Kouba. So the Algiers authorities have built an incredible amount of new roads, in order to solve the problem of traffic jams here in Algiers. And look at this now. This ramp here would lead us almost straight to Kouba. This is the ramp, or the section of motorway or highway that links the neighborhoods of Madania to that of Les Anasser. We're going to drive through another underpass here, a tunnel. And I really like this road, because it's like a shortcut. You see, it is a shortcut, in fact, an actual shortcut. And then we've got Kouba right in front of us here. See, so I compare this shortcut, or this road we have just passed, to the so-called wormhole scientists talk about in order to travel from one place to another place of space in a very short period of time. It's like so I compare this road to something, to a passage that would let you drive from one part of Algiers to another part within seconds. Okay, So here we have got you know, this place in particular, which is the entrance of Kouba, is also a place known for its traffic, but it's also a place where sub-Saharan people come here. I mean, those are migrants from I think Niger, who are here in Algeria, and some say that they are just here temporarily, and they would go on, you know, traveling until they reach Europe. And well, anyways, many of their families would practice begging. They beg, and I just don't like you know, the fact that, you know, they bring lots of children with them, because those children would be walking on the waterway. They would be crossing dangerous roads and waterways, and it's very dangerous for them because you know, not all drivers are careful. This lady is carrying her little daughter, very small daughter, a very small girl, and what? Yes, and they are in. You know, sometimes some drivers would drive very fast, and you know, this is no place for a mother and a little baby, in fact. Anyways, so now we are on our way to Kouba. We are continuing our way to Kouba, and Kouba is also known for its, you know, there is a church building that was, I think, transformed into a library before it became abandoned. I think that they are renovating it, and Kouba is known for that building. So we are entering Kouba slowly. Traffic is always present here. Even when there are no traffic jams, you've got to drive slowly in order to, you know, because there are lots of pedestrians, lots of people crossing the road, and lots of intersections, and also lots of bikers. We have to take the left here in order to enter the central part of Kouba. Many medical specialists are also located here. Many medical practices. Kouba is also known for, Kouba is also known for its hospital. They have a good hospital here, and you can see that building, that former church building, right in front of us. Over there, it used to be a church, and then, you know, they turned it into a library, a municipal library, I think. And then now it's abandoned, and I think that, you know, they are, I mean, it's scheduled to be renovated. And the municipality, the town hall of Kouba is on my left. We can't see it, but it's on my left. There is a small park there, and the Kouba Stadium is on my right, and it's home to the RCK team. RCK team. The RCK is the local soccer team. All this part is, I mean, this street is part of Kouba, and there is a small mosque here. It's a beautiful mosque, and I think that it's called the Masjid al-Atiq, or the Elegant Mosque. It's a beautiful mosque, and here there is some sort of balcony where you can you know, admire the view. On my left, where those two young men are sitting. So there is a balcony from there where you can admire the view. You can see the sea, the Algiers Bay, central Algiers. Kouba is one of the nicest neighborhoods. It's one of the most beautiful neighborhoods of Algiers. It took us something like 10 minutes to drive from Madania to Kouba. You've got a couple hotels here. There is AZ Hotel, and there is another hotel called La Maraz, just 100 meters down the road on my left, that white building on my left. And that's it. Our trip is, comes to an end here. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take care of yourselves, and bye.